What's up, guys? Jeremy Holbrooks here. Holbrooks Outdoor Solutions coming at you on a Friday morning. We got the Kato out here. We like it. It's okay. It's a new machine that just came out. Thank you, K-Tech Equipment Sales and Rentals in Easley, for letting us try it out. It's a pretty strong machine. I would just prefer a John Deere. That's just my opinion, but hey, it does the job, gets it done. And thank you, McConnell Graydon, for doing a little hauling for us today. And we've got about a full day of just kind of cleaning up, and then we should be out of here, headed on the next. So, you guys stay tuned and watch, and have a great Friday.